Hello, my dear students. I am Vijay Kapkurti, your yoga teacher from Art and Progressive School, Haldwani, Lamachar. Now, in today's activity, we will do asanas that can be done in Vajrasana. I will tell you 8 asanas that can be done in Vajrasana. So, let us start. First, we will do the Vajrasana. How we do the Vajrasana? How we sit in Vajrasana? First we spread our hands forward, bring your right leg forward, fold your left leg, then the right leg. Now come in Vajrasana. So this is first asana of the Vajrasana. Vajrasana itself. Here our back and head are in one line. So it is good for your digestion also. You know very well. It makes us backbone strong, knees and ankles also become strong and flexible. Now we will do the Brahmacharya, the second asana. See, sit between the heels. Spread your heels on the side and sit between the heels. Now see your knees are becoming more flexible, ankles are becoming more flexible. So this asana has you in sports because it will enhance your speed in running and it will also enhance your jumping also. It will give benefit in your jumping because your ankles will become flexible, so you will get the extra jump and you can run fast and you can jump high. So now let us do the third asana. First we will release the Brahmacharya asana. The third asana is Sasakasana. Sasakasana is rabbit pose. How we do it? Breathe in, bring your hands up, breathe out, touch your head to the ground, the palms on the ground, and you can do. After some time, you can do the normal breathing. For some time, you will keep your breath out. I will count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and bring your hands up. So, how we get up from the Vajrasana? So students, now these asanas you know very well, you have done them before. Now we are taking some more asanas that we can do in Vajrasana. So try to learn them and know them, how we do it. So let's start. Now we are going to do Yoga Mudrasana. How we do Yoga Mudrasana? Now sit in Vajrasana. Interlock your fingers from the back side like this. Then you will bring your head to the ground. You will bring your head to the ground and your hands will go up. So your stomach will press. When the stomach presses, you breathe out. So in this asana, you will breathe out. We will remain some time in the final pose. After that, we will come out from it breathing inside. So let us start. Interlock your hands from the back side. Breathe out and touch your head to the ground and bring your hands up like this. Now this is Yoga Mudra Asana. I will count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now breathe in and come up. So this asana is very good for your digestion and it is good for your constipation and gas problems. कब्ज के लिए और गैस के लिए भी अच्छा है and it moves your stomach inside. आपका पेट अंदर हो जाएगा and it is also strengthening your shoulder area. It is giving here the massage effect. So now we have done the Yoga Mudra asana. The next asana we are going to do is Ardha Ushtrasana. Ardha Ushtrasana, how we do? How we do the Ardha Ushtrasana? First, we will stand over our legs. We will stand on our knees from the Vajrasana. After that, cross your hand like this and turn back. This is Ardha Ushtrasan. Do the Ardha Ushtrasan like this. Now bring your head back like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and come out. So this is how we do the Ardha Ushtrasan. Now we will do the complete Ushtrasan. You know how we do the complete Ushtrasan? First, remain in the Vajrasan. Then bring your stand on the Vajrasan. Bring one hand to the heels. Then other hand to the heels. Chest up. Bring your chest up. Hold the breath inside and hold the breath inside for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come back from the asana. This way you will come out of the asana. So this was the Ushtrasan. So let us see from the other side. Let us do it one more time. It is important asana. 1, 2, chest up. Hold the breath inside. Keep the breath inside. Expand your chest. After some time, we will come out of the asana. I will count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we come out of the asana. You have to do these asanas with me. So please do the asanas with me. We have done the Ushtrasan. This Ushtrasan is very good for your lungs health. It opens the pores of your lungs and you inhale more oxygen inside. उष्ट्रासन करने से क्या होगा? आपके लंग्स के पोर्स खुल जाते हैं तो आपकी ऑक्सीजन लेने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी. आप ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन अंदर लोगे और ज़्यादा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर छोड़ोगे. सो योर ब्लड विल हैव मोर ऑक्सीजन. आपके ब्लड में ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन होगी, ब्रेन को ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन मिलेगी, पूरी बॉडी को ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन मिलेगी और चेस्ट भी चौड़ी होगी. योर चेस्ट विल ऑल्सो एक्सपेंड, योर लंग्स विल एक्सपेंड, योर चेस्ट विल एक्सपेंड. It also gives the gentle massage to your abdominal area. So your digestion will be also good, and your spine will be also flexible. It makes your spine flexible. So we have done Ushtrasan, and the benefits of Ardha Ushtrasans are also the similar. The next asana we are taking is Padadhira Asana. अब हम पादाधीरा आसन करेंगे. How we do the Padadhira Asana? Let us do the Padadhira Asana. So first you come in Vajrasan. After Vajrasan you bring your hands like this. This is called Padadhira Asana, and this asana brings the warmth in your body. ये आपके शरीर में गर्मी पैदा करता है. सर्दियों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. जब भी आपको ठंड लगेगी आप ऐसे बैठ के देखिएगा, आपके शरीर में गर्मी आ जाएगी. आजकल विंटर्स में ठंड बहुत लगती है, तो जब ज़्यादा ठंड लगनी होगी तो आप ऐसे हाथ को वज्रासन में आना. पहले से कम टू द वज्रासन. देन ब्रिंग योर हैंड्स बिलो योर आर्मपिट्स and then tighten your hand like this. So this is called Padadhira Asana. So you have done this. This asana is very useful in winters because it will bring warmth in our body. हमारे शरीर में गर्मी लाएगा, इसलिए सर्दियों के लिए ये आसन बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. So now we will do सुप्त वज्रासन. अब हम सुप्त वज्रासन करेंगे. सुप्त वज्रासन कैसे करते हैं आइए सीखते हैं. सुप्त वज्रासन we will lie down on our back in Vajrasana. So let me ऐसे कर लेता हूँ ताकि आप देख सको. वज्रासन में now we will lie down. So and we will bring our palms on the thighs. So it is Supta Vajrasana. See, lie down like this. After lying down, bring your palms to the thighs. So this is Supta Vajrasana. You can close your eyes. You can do the normal breathing, lying in the Supta Vajrasana, and after some time you will get up. I will count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will get up. Now we are coming out of Supta Vajrasana. So you have to do back side. So I will do from this side also. Let me turn this side. So see this Vajrasana from this side also. How we do? Lie down. Bring your hands on the thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now get up. So you had done the Supta Vajrasana. And dear children, how many asanas we have done yet? We have done 9 asanas. What were their names? Padadirasan, Sasangasan, Brahmacharyasan, Supta Vajrasana, Ardha Ushtrasan, Ushtrasan, Yogmudrasan, and Vajrasana itself. So we have done 9 asanas. So here were the 9 asanas that we can do in Vajrasana position. So my dear students, I hope you like these videos and you came to know there are many asanas that can be done in Vajrasana. So you can do them at your home and you can get benefits of these asanas, and these are very useful asanas, so you should do them. All of them are good for your digestion, all of them are good for your health. They will also build your concentration and focus. So my advice is that you should do them in your home. This is for activity, but you should learn them and you should try to do them at your home also. So children, now have a nice day. This yoga session is over. Goodbye from here. Be happy, be healthy. Bye bye.